What's up, guys? Happy 4th of July!
Happy 4th of July!
Say it, Luna! Happy 4th of July! Awesome, I hope you guys are having a good 4th of July, or had a good 4th of July, obviously. You know what, let's not call it 4th of July, it's called Independence Day. Because it's Independence Day. It's not 4th of July, it's just
Independence. We were talking about that last night.
Yes, we were.
Why is it called 4th of July? I mean, like, if somebody doesn't know that, you know, it's Independence Day, they're going to be like, yeah, it's the 4th of July, so what? What's your point? What do you mean happy 4th of July? Like,
exactly.
You don't say happy 5th of December, do you?
Happy Boxing Day.
Happy Boxing Day. I'll start doing that.
we don't say that here in America, Happy Boxing Day. But if you go to the States, telephone call. David. Hold on, guys. Phone call time. So that was Mr. David, the guy's house that we're going to. You've seen him before. You've seen that house before. Dave and Dolly's house. Awesome house. And yeah, we I just wanted to call him and ask if he wanted us to bring anything. And yeah. So without further ado, let's get to the party now. Alright, so the party's coming soon. We're gonna go see somebody. You guys ready for that? Yeah, come on. Yeah, come on.
Oh, this is good.
Yeah, come on.
What's going on, man?
How you doing?
How you doing? I don't know where I'm supposed to look. You better be subscribed to Stevie Breach. Come on, 540 subscribers.
Subscribe. Got that guy subscribed. So there you go, guys. That's what we do. Me and Stevie Breach meet up every now and then.
He forgot he never met me. I think we all forgot he never met me.
He's like, oh yeah, you've only seen her online. Or Blog TV.
Oops.
So yeah, now we're on our way to Dave and Dolly's house. Alright, so we are going now. Dave's prepping the grill. Grill Master Dave.
I used to always use...
Holy crap.
Always use the...
Alright, you guys want to see something cool? Dave is growing some hops. He's growing hops so he can brew his own beer, have his own hops here. Okay, it's already starting to flower a little bit right there. You can see it. Already starting to bud. Need some buds coming up. Nice. Why are they growing up? Well, because it grows up, obviously. Durr. Yeah. There's a stingray. Ah! Yeah, so hoppa.
Now I am.
What's up, you dudes? Here comes Sam.
That was almost a belly flop.
How he landed it up there? So you dudes, this is nice. Happy Merry Christmas. I mean,
St.Fireworks Day.
Fireworks Day. Woo!
Drinks in there?
Yeah. Oh my! Woo!
Oh,
Oh my God, this water is
Thank
beautiful.
you.
Yeah.
do a funny one, guys.
What are you doing, kitty?
He's posing for Wilma.
He's like, hey.
Hey, baby.
What's up, guys? Just walking to get some more smokes, because we kind of ran out, and I've had a drink or two or three, and I'm not driving drunk, so yeah, no way getting a DUI, hell no. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that, and then fireworks are coming soon. Do some swimming, obviously. It's a good day. So alright, yes, fireworks time. Wow. Happy 234 America! Woo! These are my favorite guys. Crackling balls. Crackling. Love these.
I don't even know what that means.
How'd you get rid of
Whoa!
Ouch.
Safe and sane.
Safe and I don't know what that word means.
Oh, Sam.
I think I have a roll of the firecrackers.
I love, like, you know,
Over there, I had
like lady fingers and
Oh.
Woo! Tricked ya!
Just when you're thinking it's gonna die.
Thank you.
That's the newest invention, the ladder. The old ladder thing.
I love that. I love that.
Yeah. Very quiet.
I need a tripod.
I got a tripod in the garage if you want it.
I should just put the tripod out.
Who are you talking about? Is she a doctor?
Ciao, Dave.
A lawyer. Oh, there you go. There are two lawyers. My brother is a lawyer.
That would make for a messy divorce.
Although now she's not, yeah, but she's not a practicing lawyer. He's the lawyer.
Woo! Yeah!
Woo! That was amazing!
Wow! Oh!
Amazing! 2 seconds!
That was awesome, dude.
That thing's really going. Is that a TNT flashing fountain? I'm gonna have this thing.
The punk?
Yeah.
Punks suck.
Let's light it. Whoa.
You gotta put it down a little bit. There we go. There we go.
My brother is the one that came
Oh, is that a fun? I got that. That was awesome. Punk. What's up, you punk? Just put it in your bag.
Yeah.
There's a beer right there. Whose beer is that?
My beer. My beer.
All of them. No, put all of them in there. Damn.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't care.
Go helicopter.
Woo! Boom!
I think he was. Jill's in a
my god, it's a whale song. There's a whale in the pool. Oh my god, I almost just dropped it.
Super awesome! David Dolly's house, 4th of July. I love David Dolly.
Oh my god!
What's up, guys? It is Saturday. Oh, no, it's not Saturday.
Is it Monday?
It's Monday freaking morning.
Okay, I totally said.
It is Monday morning. It is beautiful out. I am not hungover. Yay!
Say hello to Wilma.
Hi, Wilma. You're the star.
Cigarettes?
Still have.
But I'm drinking a nice cider. Nice. What kind of cider is it? Is this pear cider?
No, it's apple cider.
This is apple cider. This is beautiful. Yes, I'm drinking once again. Kind of hungover, but not really.
It's like having
Hey, I'm not hungover.
mimosa.
Wait.
It is like having a mimosa in the morning.
You got Bloody Mary mix.
And then there's Dolly. All right, guys. Well, this is beautiful. What's up, you dudes? I got a hat on. Woo! My hat. Look at the girls in the pool. Girls in the pool, putting on sunscreen. And we're drinking beer.
Look at all that sunscreen around
Ah, so what a great Monday, guys. I know I got a weird hat on.
$800.
What's up, dudes? Wow, totally forgot about the delayed sleep practice tonight. We're chilling at my parents' house, you know, and they invited us for dinner because we were coming and picking up the dog. So, Miss Wet Puppy. Hey, Wet Puppy. But anyway, yeah, we're hanging out, we're chilling there, and then all of a sudden we get a call from Monica from Delayed Sleep, obviously. And she's like, "Are you guys here? Or what's up?" It's like, oh my god, practice. I totally forgot about practice. So, we're on our way now back. It's got really bright. On our way to our house.
Yay!
On our way to our house.